It almost went through Twitter. Looks like I think it is exceeded the length on my Twitter posts because I have a free Twitter account. You might have also noticed when that was running that these two legs of my scenario executed out of order. The reason that happened, last week I was in Twitter jail, so I disconnected this leg, and now that I've reconnected it, it is now the last series that I connected. So if you don't already know this, and it took me a few months of using Make until I figured this out,